Republic, a group dedicated to abolishing the monarchy, has demanded the government hold a public vote on whether Britons would like to see the firm continue or scrapped. CEO Graham Smith, in favor of an elected head of state, said, "There should be a referendum on whether or not we have a monarchy." Express.co.uk conducted an exclusive poll asking readers if they backed the idea of calling Britons to the ballot box to vote on the royal family. The majority of readers who responded rejected Mr. Smith's demand, with some saying they would rather have a queen or king on the throne than a president. (71%, 2,748) said a referendum should not be held on the future of the monarchy. Just 28%, 1,075, backed the call for a public vote, while only 1%, 46, said they didn't know. In comments, many readers unleashed their fury at anti-monarchists for putting out such calls given that the Queen is in her 90s. One royal fan accused Republicans of winding her up as she nears the end of her reign. They wrote, "So now our loyal and much-loved Queen has reached her twilight years. Someone decides to wind her up with talks of scrapping the monarchy." They added, "Do we need a referendum? No, we most certainly do not." Another accused campaigners of being jealous of the Queen. They wrote, "No, this is the whim of a few jealous anti-monarchists who think they can overturn our heritage." Just because they are not rich themselves. Others said they feared having an elected head of state instead of a monarch would be detrimental to the country. One man said, "I personally am afraid of the alternative." A second said, "We definitely need our monarchy. The alternative is not worth thinking about." And another said the UK has the best of both worlds with a Prime Minister and a Queen. They said presidents have been known to get too big for their boots and cost a flipping fortune.